guys, it's Sandra. So this week the challenge is to spin around in a circle while spinning alphabet backwards, and is to do like a vlog wherever you go and stuff. So I'm gonna do that. So for my alphabet backwards thing, I wrote it down on here, so I can spin and look at it. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but what I'm gonna do. Okay, so ready? Okay, no, it's so awkward. Z Y X W V U C S R C T O N M L K D I H G F E D C D A.
Give me a second.
Okay, well, hi. No! Can I cross?
She's fine. I'm not gonna record her. I'm not recording her. No, Nicole.
Nope.
We just walked into Metro, and there's rice and oil and beef. Okay. Well, we're going to the washroom because we have to go to the washroom to the cashiers. There's a lot of geezers here. Right, Nicole? Where's it? Oh, don't move. Nicole, run! Oh wait, Nicole, it's a magnet. I broke the chain. Oh my god. What's wrong with you? Oh, my bathing suit. Okay, that's the lady. Excuse me. Do you have a washroom in here?
Yeah, right by the seat.
Okay, thank you. Alright. Cool. Dude. It's not recording.
Yes, you are.
Okay, so we're waiting for Nicole. She's gonna wash now, and I'm in the storage room. And there's a washroom and downstairs. 1 second. Someone's coming. Okay, no one's coming. They're coming now. Wait, we're in the mirror. In a mirror. Sorry. We're in a clothes store and we're oh, Nicole. You're so
Do it.
okay. No, I don't want to record myself doing it. I'll just go like no, don't wait, it's zoomed up.
Okay. Do it.
No. So, there's a lake, but no, not in the lake. Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're lost. And we don't know where the beach is. But, my stomach be grumbling. Do not zoom up on my face.